Hi guys, my name is Amelia. Welcome to my channel. So I haven't been on YouTube in a while just because I've been really busy, but I'm ready to be posting again. So today's video I'm gonna do a retwist, get ready with me type of video. And while I'm retwisting my hair, I want to just, talk a little bit, get to know you, and just talk about some things just in my life. It'll just be a free kind of thing, but also while retwisting my locks. So right now my locks are like brown, orange, red. I bleached it and toned it. So today I'm just gonna recolor, and then we'll get to the retwist and we'll talk. So yeah, see you soon. So I'm going to take the Cajun spice and the mahogany red, and I'm going to mix it with some 20 volume developer, and that's the color combination that we're going to be using for today. So now I'm just going through my hair. I didn't want to show all of this because it's a lot. It's honestly me just putting the color on my head. Y'all know how to put color on. So I'm just doing it, sped it up a little bit. I put it all over my head, and then I put a shower cap over just to keep all the color in, and I let it sit. I think I had this in for about an hour or 30 minutes because I was doing other stuff. I'm a very busy girl, and yeah, I did not shave. It was no shave November, but December I shaved, but it was a liberation thing. But anyway, so yep, my shower cap is going on and I'm letting it cook. Okay, so knowing me, I'm a little extra. I like to do my eyebrows too. I started bleaching my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna put a little scoop of the BW Clairol bleach with a little bit of the volume 20 color developer. Yeah, and mix it up, and I'm gonna put it on my eyebrows and let that sit. I had it on for about 10 minutes. After I bleach my eyebrows, I then use Willita's T18 toner on my eyebrows. Okay, finally we're here. So, this is how the color came out. It was just a quick touch up. Just wanted to get my roots back to red. My eyebrows are blonde. So we're just gonna get into it. So while I do my hair, I just wanted to, talk to, the camera basically, because I don't really have that much viewers yet. So as of right now, I'm talking to myself, but hopefully, I stay consistent, and hopefully I will start having more subscribers, and it'll be a lot more personal. But so I just want to talk about a little life update, where I've been and what steps I've been taking to become a better me. Something, maybe, I don't know if it's because I'm a Virgo, but I've always had an obsession with just wanting to get my life together, and it took over my life a little bit. Now I'm in a routine, but it didn't start that way. Let's take it all the way back to August. I was getting ready to go to Jamaica for a few months. Booked a one-way. Didn't know how long I was gonna be there. Booked a one-way and I spent my birthday, August 30th, at the Rio Resort with my friend. And after that, I went in the country with my grandparents. In some of my other videos, I have a video of my grandpa, of us, you know, feeding the chickens, of Pagy Beach, and just, you know, spending time. It was a good experience and I miss it dearly. The main reason why I went to Jamaica was because I really felt like I needed to find myself. I really felt like I didn't know who I was. I felt like I didn't know what I was doing, what I wanted in the future. I didn't know anything, and I was feeling really, really overwhelmed from being in California. So I just wanted to take some time out and be in the country, and ever since I've been back, I've just been working, starting on some jewelry and just like working my regular 9-to-5 job. I really love making videos and creating content, but the stress of not having a job and not having money was really, like, it was taking a toll on me, you know. So I just, you know, I just said, alright, I'll book a flight home, go back to work at my old job, and just start over again. And I feel so much better. One thing about starting over that's hard is, you know, going back to the drawing board. But after you do it, it feels freeing, and it's like you can make a better plan to what you want to do. I decided I wanted to go back to my 9-to-5 so I could practice saving up and, you know, be happy again. You know, try to get out of debt and get to that debt-free life. Debt-free life. But I know it won't happen overnight, but it's coming. Since I'm new to this YouTube stuff, it's honestly kind of hard to talk for like non-stop. I don't know how YouTubers do it. Sometimes I just have something to say and then I say it and then it's over. But I hope you're enjoying it so far. I'm probably gonna have music in this and it's gonna be sped up because it's like awkward, but hope you guys are enjoying what you see. To me, this is relaxing, like to see neat things. I mean, like things that are frizzy turn neat, like locks, you know, for instance. Like, it's satisfying to me. Like, is it satisfying to you to watch me? I don't know, maybe it's not, but to me it is. It's very satisfying to see before and after, you know. And as always, I will insert some before and after pics. And I might do a little makeup look. We'll see. Stay tuned. So we're finally on the midsection. Yeah, I started watching Attack on Titan, started watching some anime, but we were at the middle. We just have this chunk left. I'm gonna start recording again, so I'm sped up. I just wanted to just get some of that big chunk out the way, but we're almost done, and and when I'm finished, I'll do a little outfit, light makeup, and you know, we'll get into it. Enjoy. Okay, so of course my memory card got overly full, so it stopped recording a few times, but it's okay. I wanted to just get towards the end and show you guys where I'm at right here. So far it's so good. I think like since I'm almost done, I might as well start talking again if you don't mind. But while I've been doing my hair, I've been watching Attack on Titan. It's an anime show on Funimation and other platforms, but yeah, I've just been watching some anime and getting back to just me, and I'm enjoying doing my hair. It's been a while since I've done a big retwist like this, and I'm feeling good. Just some of my inner thoughts, like I just hope that I stay consistent on posting, and I hope that people actually like my content. I know when I start editing, I might, you know, just make it my own. It's just, yeah. But I enjoy doing these videos, and you can leave some comments about what you think, and also if you have any ideas for me. Also, after I'm done with the red color, red, blondish, orange color, I want to start doing different colors, maybe blue, maybe purple, like things like that, or even like a actual burgundy, red, purple, you know? So yeah, I'm just excited. So I hope you guys enjoy, and when I'm finished, of course y'all will see the final product. So I'm gonna put it back to the speed of time so I can watch Attack on Titan. So enjoy. I hope this is satisfying for you. We're back with the finished look. Well, not fully because I'm gonna do my makeup, pick out an outfit, whatever. But this is my hair done. only took like 4 hours. I think it started at like 3:50, 4 o'clock, and now it's 8:47, 8:48 p.m. But it was well worth it. I had a good time filming. It felt good to just get back out there. My camera is dying, so while I'm getting dressed and doing the final look, I'm gonna have my camera charging. But yeah, almost done. Stay tuned for the last look. Okay, so this is my final look. I don't even wear makeup. I just did my eyebrows and put lipstick on, but I love it. Loving it. You know, jewelry, earrings. So I feel great. I had a good time filming today. Like, it was so much fun getting back out there, looking nice, feeling good, sharing more content, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more. Hopefully I make myself feel more. But I hope you guys enjoy. Comment if, you know, there's something you didn't like. Comment if something there was like that you like. And yeah, have a great one. Bye.